Hey guys, welcome back to Brainy Buddies. Today we are going to be solving these four questions and I am going to explain how we get each solution with some tricks and tactics. So let's start. First and foremost, we have the question 2 square into 3 square divided by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. Okay, this is a very nice question. So to solve this, first we'll see the law of exponent, which is negative exponent law. So that states that a power minus n will give you 1 by a power n. So 2 square into 3 square divided by 2 power minus 2. Let's simplify 2 power minus 2 here. Okay. So 2 power minus 2, what it will become? It will become it will become 1 by 2 power 2. So that will give you 1 by 2 power 2 or 2 square into 3 power minus 1. So 2 square into 3 square we can say 9 divided by 1 by 2 square 4 into 3 power minus 1. So 9 divided by 1 by 4. When you take 9 divided by 1 by 4, we have to multiply because see 2 square into 9 divided by 1 by 4 into 3 power minus 1. It is nothing but 1 by 3 power 1 or 1 by 3. So 9 divided by 1 by 4. As we know division of fractions, we have to take reciprocal and multiply. So 2 square 4 into 9 into 4 into 1 by 3. So this will give us 4 into 9 into 4, 9 into 4, 36 into 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 into 36 can be simplified like this. 3 and 36 cancelled, it will become 12. So 4 into 12, 48. Okay, so that is our final answer. Next, we will see the second question. So what is our second question? 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1. 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. Okay, this is very easy. So what law we will use here? Negative exponent law. Or wait, before negative exponent law, can we use the law that a power m into b power m will give you a into b whole power m? Yes, we can use that law. That will make our process much easier. So here minus 1 and minus 1 exponent is common. Okay, but bases are varying in these powers. So 4 into 3 whole power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1 will be our entire solution. So 4 into 3, 12. 12 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. Now again, we don't have to focus on negative exponent law. We again have same exponent but different bases. So what we will do, we'll use another law, which is a power m divided by, this time it's not multiply but divide, divided by b power m will give you a by b whole power m. So let's use that here. So this will be 12 by 6 whole power minus 1. 12 by 6 whole power minus 1. And 2. 2 power minus 1. 2 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 2 power 1 according to negative exponent law. So our final answer is 1 by 2. Okay, this is our final answer. Now let's move on with the third question. What is our third question? It says 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1. 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3 into 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay, so we need to know one thing. Anything power 0. This is the next law that we are using. A power 0 is equal to 1. B power 0 is equal to 1. Anything power 0 will equal to 1. So 1 plus 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 5 power 1 or just 1 by 5. So I'm just writing 1 by 5. You can write 1 by 5 power 1 also if you want. Into 5 square into 1 by 3. So next we need to add these fractions. When we add these fractions, what will happen? Here we will have 1 by 1 plus 1 by 5. We'll take LCM as 5. And this will give us 6 by 5. Okay. So that will give us 6 by 5 into, now we can simplify 5 square, which is 25 into 1 by 3. So 5 and 25 cancelled. 6 into 5, 30. And 30 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 30 by 3, which is equal to 10. So our final answer is 10. Okay, very nice. Now let's move on to the fourth question. What is our fourth question? You guys can note it down if you want. Here you go. So 1 by 2 power minus 3 into 1 by 4 power minus 3 into 1 by 5 power minus 3. Okay, so that's our question. So here we need to notice one thing. These exponents are common. Leave about the fact that it is negative. For now, we will take these exponents as common. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Same exponents everywhere. So focus only on that. Okay. Now, as these are same exponents everywhere, we have to multiply the bases. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 5 whole power minus 3. Now 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 5, 40. So this is 1 by 40 power minus 3. So now we have to focus on the fact that it is negative. So when it is negative, we will take the reciprocal. 1 by 40 reciprocal, 40. So this will be 40 power 3. And 40 power 3 is nothing but 40 into 40 into 40, which is equal to 64,000. And that is our final answer. This is 64,000. And yeah, that's our final answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment if you have any other problems or solutions that you want me to solve, that you want me to make a video on. If you have any other topics you want me to make a video on. And please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. I hope you learned something new. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.